Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the TeSys Tera training. I'm your host, Leandro Mata, and in this video what we're going to see is the mod transfer configuration that we have in TeSys Tera. So basically we have on this mod transfer the possibility to use bump and bumpless mode. Okay, so in order to give you further information, so basically if you're using bump, when you change the mod selection, for example, you are controlling for local DI and then you change for communication, if it's a bump, when you change, when the motor is running, it will stop. Okay. If you're using bumpless and the motor is running, when you change, it will not change the status of the motor. Okay, that will be the main idea. So, well, this is the explanation. Okay, so basically, so that's the mode transfer that basically is in the parameter list. Just need to select the started function settings. On the started settings, you have the way to select the behavior of the TeSys Tera. Okay, then you need to select the mode selection, the way you want to check the source for the control, the controllings, okay, for local 1, 2, and 3 and remote, and then the mode transfer that basically by default is in bump, but you can change this to bumpless. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, this bumpless. So right now I am connected to the TeSys Tera. Okay, right now it's in local 1. Okay, the local 1 is this for DI, so I should be able to control over DI. Okay, let me set the camera. Okay, so let's see if the camera is working. So the DI, okay, is going to be local 1. Okay, so I should be able to use this in order to start and stop the motor. Okay, and then if I change through communication the mode selection, you can go to communication. Okay, so I'm using the communication in order to change from control look for communication or DI. Okay, and right now it's in bumpless. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the following. So right now mode selection is in 0 for the communication, so it's going to be for DI. So what I'm going to do is to run this from here. Now let's do it this way. So I'm going to make it run from here. Okay, now I'm going to change from the local to remote. I have changed to remote. You can see the motor is still running even if I haven't sent the command to run. And here you should be able to see that now it's in remote. Okay, so now I'm going to stop it from here. In this case it's in maintain, so I need to send the command to pause and it will stop it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, now that it's in this mode, okay, it's in remote, I'm going to make it run. I'm going to show you that I cannot stop it from here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is to change this from remote, just in remote, to local. Okay, send the command, it's in local, and now you can see there it hasn't been stopped. The motor is still running, and now there is a trip. Okay, but it's different. Okay, definite time over current trip. Okay, so this is the bumpless. So I'm going to reset it from here, then I can run it again. As you can see, that is the bumpless behavior. Now what we're going to do is to check the bump behavior when I change from one mode to the other. So instead of doing this, I'm going to select bump, going to make okay to send this to the device. And then we will see when this one's came back. Okay, now that the TeSys Tera is back live, I'm going to connect and retrieve the actual configuration to see if the from Bumpless to Bump, it has been taken. So I'm going to log in and retrieve the configuration. You can see the bump is already configured. So now what we're going to do is to just this. That's an arbitrary size. Well, it's in local one. Now what I'm going to do is to run this. So I'm going to run it from here. Okay, and then I'm going to here and change to the remote. So change, and it has stopped. And here you can see that the reason, okay, is in remote, and the reason stop is the mode transfer because I changed this. Okay. If not, I should be able to see something different. Like I'm going to run, let me stop it. We should have something different here. Let us go communication. Okay. So this is the mode transfer on the TeSys Tera that we have bump and bumpless. So if you don't want that the motor stop when you change the mode, then you need to just go for bumpless. Otherwise, select bump when you change from different mode in order to stop the load. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.